Hello guys, welcome you again in the our channel Info, and today we're doing another lab. Here this lab is of a 1 hour and I will do it in less than 1 hour or 5-6 minutes, in a 5 or 6 minutes. Its score is total score is 30. How much I get after video you can see it. Install, update and remove software in Linux. Okay, I totally tell you show you tell you and show you how you can install, update and remove software on Linux. Okay guys, let's have a start. I just click on the start lab. It will be buffering and it will be starting soon. Okay, 0 minutes. Provisioning the lab resources, estimated time remaining 0 minutes. We have to just wait little bit, and okay guys, here's the resources comes. Linux instance external IP address is also there and username is also there. I have just to download the ppk file and download it here, and here I can download the key for this. By clicking here you can download the ppk file, and from here you can the file putty, and here this was the file. You can just open it. It will be open here, and here you can put the post the host name IP address, and is the our external username. First you put username. Okay, copy the username from here, this one, and paste it here, and then I have to put the sign of @ and then copy the address, external IP, just paste it there. Okay, now guys, we have to here SSH. In connection tab we have a SSH. Just click here and click on the authorize, and then browse. We have downloaded the Qwiklabs file. We have just browsed that file. Here it is. Just click it and open it, and then you can open it again, and there is a certificate. You just click on the yes, authenticating, importing the data, and it will be fine. All the Linux command line is imported here. Now we write the command and update the software, install the software and remove a software. Here guys, we just update the software. First we have to update the software in the virtual machine. Okay, here is this command to update the software. sudo apt. This is the command. I just write the command in the panel. Just press the enter. It is installing. Do you want to continue? Just press the Y and then enter, and it installing very fast, updating the VLC player. Sorry. It will take some time to download all the files and update the all the VLC media player file. Now you can check it by this command, either it's updated or not. Here it's at okay. It's a little bit error in command. I again write it. Now it's okay. Now here you can see our score is 10 out of 30. You can just press check my progress and it will be exactly clicked, means we have successfully performed the first task. Now we have to install the Mozilla Firefox on the virtual machine. Okay, I have to write again the command, this one. Here it is. It is update is loaded successfully. Now I have to write this command to install the Firefox. Just press the enter. I have again write it. Again I have to write the command. Now it's working. Just press the Y and then enter. Now it's installing the Firefox, downloading all the file on your virtual machine, and when it will successfully done, then it will tell us that all the files are downloaded successfully and your Firefox is here it is. You can see it's stopped now, and we can just check it by this command, either it's installed or not. This one. Press enter. Now you have to just check it from here. Press check the progress. It's installed successfully. It will be score will be updated here, and it's will be here. You can see it's 20 at 30. Now we uninstall this software GIMP. Now I have to write this command again, this one, and remove the software. Press enter. Yes or not. Yes, we want to uninstall it. press Y and then enter. Now it's successfully uninstalled. You can check it by this command. Just write this command here. It is successfully un uninstalled, and here you can see our score 30 out of 30. I just check my progress here, and it's my lab is finished now. It's now completed. All three tasks are done successfully. I have installed Firefox and update VLC player, and then remove the software. Thank you for watching. mm, keep on watching so we can have a more exciting video regarding labs and other things. So you join us and subscribe our channel. Thank you.